Hi guys, this is Jazz and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Jazzist. In the previous video, I explained you text to speak with the help of PYTTS Python module. Now in this video, I am going to show you a speech recognition in Python with the help of Pyaudio module. For this, you can go in a command prompt or pound shell and just type pip install Pyaudio and hit the enter button or sometime it's getting error during the running the program. So for that you can download the PyAudio link given in the description box, and then uh, go to download and open the CMD, and then I show you. Then open the CMD and then type cd download and hit the enter button. Now you can type pip install py audio, and now hit the tab button and then enter. Now in my case I'm already download, but in your case if you have no download, then it's getting download, it takes time. And then so it takes some time. Now you can see my PyAudio is already installed in the same version. So in your case if you have not downloaded, then you can download, and after that you can go your favorite id. In my case I use the Jupyter notebook. So for this I can go to import the module speech recognition. So now you can show on my Jupyter notebook where import speech underscore recognition is sr uh, enter. Now you for the run the program you can like shift and enter, then it can go on the next cell, and after that I can type mic equal to sr dot microphone, bracket close, and then control plus shift sorry shift plus enter. And then now you can go move to the next cell and then type rec record is equal to sr dot recognizer, sr dot recognizer and bracket. In the recognizer there is a z in a bracket, enter, with mic is a source, and then double, and then write print in a bracket. You can use double score, say, go to the next line, type audio is equal to rec dot listen in a bracket, source. Now hit enter, and then text is equal to rec dot rec recognize underscore google. It's text from the google, so you can use google in a bracket, type audio, and then print the text whatever you want to like speak in a mic. So you can, it's right in the form of text. So you can, now my program is complete, and now you can show I kept running in the program, so you can see it. and now it's give the option how whatever you say. So I want to say good morning India. So now you can see it takes some little bit time. So now you can say whatever I can say, inbox get option, and now it's say good morning India. Whatever thing I can talk, they can all thing are right in here. So this is all about from today. And for the next, if you have any doubt, so you can ask in a comment box, or if you want to watch some more video, then you can like and subscribe my channel for the next video. And this is all about for today. We can meet in next video.